Hi kids, how you doing today? I'm gonna show you how to do an elephant origami. This is the easiest I can find for you, and then you can look it up on YouTube and do whatever animal you like. So first you're gonna fold it in half, and then once you do that, you take this side and you kind of fold it again, trying to align it. Try and align it with the middle, and then turn it around and try to do the same on the other side. And I know, of course, you're gonna do a better job. And then once you do that, you do this, and then you fold this triangle in and try to make it look neat as much as you can. Then you open it, and then you fold the inside, and then you close it back. It's like hiding it in, and then you flip it around and do this. Take the triangle inside and also make a fold in the middle, and then you turn it to the side and flip it around like that. Move it this way, and then take this side, fold it in again. I know there's a lot of folding, and then flip it around again and do the other side here. And then once you have this, you flip it around, fold this in, open that. And this is a little bit the hardest part for you guys, that you're gonna try to make the ears here, and bear with me. So we're gonna do this and then fold it. See, it's starting to shape the ears of the elephant. And then try to do it as best as you can for this side, and then you kind of do the same on the other side. So I know you guys are gonna do way better job than Miss Shireen. I'm just trying. I know, like, most of you are really good at this, so we're trying to push this here also inside, and this one like this. So we have here, let's try to see how the ears are gonna go. And then once you put, like this, see the ears, trying to shape it now. And now once it's shaped, then you take this is the trunk, and you do like multiple folds like this, and there you go. There you have it. That's an elephant. You see, that's the trunk, and these are the ears. And of course you're gonna do a way better job than Miss Shireen. Have fun doing it at home, and you can go to YouTube and find whatever animal that you like. I found this elephant for you because it's the easiest to make and won't make you feel frustrated. Have fun and enjoy it. See you soon. Bye.